Going on YouTube, this is Liberty Tech here, back with another video. I'm here to bring you a quick unboxing of a new product recently released by Amazfit. Now, it goes by the name GTR 3 Pro Limited Edition. It's similar to the GTR 3 Pro, but in a more classier look, which I really wanted because the watch is good. This is the GTR 3 Pro. Very good looking watch. Rounded edges, but I like the classier look with the square sharp edges because it makes it more, to me, like a more realistic watch per se. So let's quickly get on to the unboxing. First off, I'd like to say this is a very nice box. It's nothing like what the GTR 3 Pro came in, so they're really putting the limited edition touches on this watch. I did get the gold version. I wanted something a little different. Most majority of my classy top watches are silver, so I wanted to try something new. So you have the nice brown leather band here. You can interchange with other ones, which I will be doing. So taking a look around the box, nice little red tab here, a Amazfit logo all over. The back will show you, the limited edition specifications. More or less it's the same as the 3 Pro, other than, like I said, the design change and the color. So here we go to unbox. Nice slide out. There goes the main company name, Zepp. Let's see here. So, yep, very nice display off the bat. Very light, as you can see. It's very nice look. The gold accents with the combo of this leather wrist strap leather band looks very nice. I will be probably changing it to black, so black and gold. There you go. You have your sensor on the back. Let's go ahead and pull out the plastic tab here. Now this retails it's on sale for now for $209, not bad, especially since it has basically the same specs as the previous GTR with 12 hours battery of life. I mean, in this day and age, with watches like the Apple Watch that barely can go 2 days without being fully having to be charged again, and I'm hoping that Apple, sees all these other competitions coming out with better battery life. Because what's the sense of spending $400, $500 when you can only get 2 days of charge versus something like this, which is $209. It has 12 hours of battery, and even extended if you put it in battery save mode. I think it's about probably close to 25 days, 30 days. So, and it has a bunch of workouts, a whole bunch of sensors, heart rate, breathing, sleeping, and this is the type of watch that. Well, not this one. This is more classy, so I won't be sleeping with this. But more of like a sporty watch like this, you can sleep with it, and it can track your sleeping, and you don't have to worry about, when I wake up in the morning, what will my battery life be like? And so, yeah, you can sleep with your Apple Watch, but at the end of the day, it's probably not going to last the next whole day after. So yeah, let's quickly take a look at it again. I'm going to go ahead and boot this up. You got your typical knobs here. Let's go ahead and boot this up here. Yep, there we go. I'm gonna go ahead and put that down and see what else comes in the box. Your lift tab. Feels like there's something in here. Probably not. No. Oh. Got your charging cable, which is designed just for the watch. This watch itself. I'm pretty sure it's the same as the GTR 3 Pro. Yep, pretty much the same. There you go, you got that. And then you have another, like I said, I love the packaging on this one. GTR 3. No, I don't think any other of the Amazfit brand had nice packaging boxing like this. The boxes were nice, but packaged like this, like high end, pretty nice to see. And then you have your booklet, pretty thick. Most likely in multiple languages. And then you have your limited edition booklet here. And that looks like, let me see, anything else? Nope, that is it. Just making sure I'm not missing anything. So yeah, that's pretty much the unboxing for the Amazfit GTR 3 Pro limited edition. I'll leave a link down below if you guys really want to, you know, get this watch. I wish I would have known about this and, you know, advertise this watch for Father's Day, because this is a very nice gift. And by the way, I did get my father a watch, but just not this one. So yes, let's quickly just go into the settings here. Let me focus on, and then download the app, which I already have. So I'm going to go ahead and bind the watch. Now I'm not sure, because the last time I did this, it for some reason, I guess the app, which I wish they allowed, is to have multiple watches on your account. So most likely when I pair this, I'm not able to just pick up and go with the previous GTR 3 Pro. So let's see here. So I'm just gonna go, I already have the app, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add watch, agree, going to pair, it's, well, searching for it, and voila. So I'm just going to hit the check mark there. Before activating GTR 3 Pro will be stopped. Continue anyway, see? So it doesn't allow you to use multiple watches. If Amazfit sees this video, please update your software so we're allowed to switch between watches, pick up and go. I'm sure it's not a hassle to switch back and forth, but just to have it seamlessly, just, you know, tap and go to whatever watch you have, that would be great. And then we're gonna go ahead and pair, allow, and we're gonna go ahead and synchronize. I'm just gonna leave it there, guys. It's just gonna go through my previous settings and whatnot, but yeah, this watch is very nice looking, very light, like I said, and the beauty of this is the battery life and all the sensors that it pretty much has when compared to the Apple Watch. So this is a no-brainer, guys, especially since it works with iOS and Android. It's a must in my book. So thanks for watching my video, guys. Hit that thumbs up. More videos to come on this watch, and subscribe if you want. Peace out.